MindVirus rap. Yo. MindVirus, virus. MindVirus. I have a MindVirus. Yo. He junked the soul like a MindVirus. He junked the soul like a MindVirus. He junked the soul like a MindVirus. We want the show like a MindVirus. He junked the soul like a MindVirus. He junked the soul like a MindVirus. Your own mind, yeah. He junked the soul like a MindVirus. You are a computer of its own mind. He chunked the soul like a MindVirus. He chunked the soul like a MindVirus. You computer of your mind. Once again, I will computer of my mind to program a men's computer with the wrong software. Yeah. He chunked the soul, we creating MindViruses. He chunked the soul like a MindVirus. Self-limiting beliefs. He chunked the soul like a MindVirus. Angry, hate, love, anxiety, depression, sadness, love, anxiety. MindViruses. I am having and creating all these MindViruses of my past experience. Yeah, I'm getting mad, so I'm creating all these MindViruses of my past experience in love and hate, depression. Junked the soul like a MindVirus. He junked the program a MindVirus. Typing on the keyboard, banging on the keyboard. Let the monitor display like a MindVirus. He junked the soul like a MindVirus. Since the brain is so similar to a computer, since the brain is like a computer in it, it will get a virus. That MindVirus, it will get a virus. To that MindVirus, creating these MindViruses of my past experience and of the anger. MindViruses and self-limiting beliefs and negative